In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download source code from a Netlify website. To get started, sign into your Netlify dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple teams or websites. Once you're inside the dashboard, you'll be at the main area where Netlify lists your projects and account options. From there, go to the Sites tab and choose the specific website you want to download. This is important because the download option is tied to a particular site and a particular deployment, so you'll want to open the exact project you need. If you have several sites with similar names, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right one before moving on. After opening the website's project page, click on Deploys. This section shows the full deployment history for that site, including recent publishes and older versions. It's basically the place where Netlify keeps track of every time the site was built and pushed live. Now, look through the deployment list and find the most recent published deploy. You want the one marked as published because that's the version currently live, or at least the latest version that was successfully pushed. This helps ensure you're downloading the correct build output rather than an older or failed deployment. Once you've found it, click directly on that deployment row to open its details. This takes you into a more detailed view where Netlify shows information about that specific deploy, including logs and summary details. Next, look at the summary information block located right above the terminal log window. This area contains the key details for the deployment, so it's where you'll find the download option. If the page looks busy, don't focus on the build logs yet. Instead, keep your attention on the summary section near the top of the deploy details. Beside the timestamp and the status badge, you'll see a small download icon. It can be easy to miss if you're not looking closely, so scan that row carefully. The icon is the control that lets you export the files from that exact deployment. Click the download icon and Netlify will immediately package that deployment's full folder structure into a zip file and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go straight to your downloads folder or prompt you to choose a save location. And that's it. Once the zip file finishes downloading, you can extract it and review the deployed files locally. Just keep in mind that this gives you the deployed output for that Netlify build, which is exactly what was packaged in that deployment.